Welcome to the channel. If your Tecno Spark Go 2024 doesn't have the built-in app cloning feature that you see in other videos, it's because those videos are misleading you by showing a different phone. Why they do that, I don't know, but that's their choice. I don't do that. In this video, I'll show you the real way to clone virtually any app on your Tecno Spark Go 2024.